Hi dear children, welcome back to this new video. In this video, we will start the new chapter, chapter 8, string and string manipulations.
We know the definition of string. Last year we studied in the C++ program. What is the definition we studied there? Sequence of character enclosed with a double code. In Python, string definition is sequence of character enclosed within single or double or triple quotes. Understand? This character may be a letters, numbers or symbols. Okay, anyone we can use. Example of string is, then we can write the welcome in within the single quote. Same way we can write in the double quote, we can write in the triple quote. These three are the example of this string. Next topic is creating string. Already we studied the strings will be in the single quote or in the double quote or in the triple quote. Okay, one example, see here, we want to print the message. Here this string is written in single quote. Is it correct? Here this one single apostrophe is there. So this will be, Python will be treat the string is this much only. Remaining other thing will be left from that. Understand? So we can get the message today Abin. That much only we will get the message. For avoiding these kinds of errors, we are using the all strings are enclosed with the double quote. Understand? When we are writing the program, we are using the double quote to represent the string. Did you get why we are using the double quote? Then if we are using more than one line or many lines, that time we are using the triple quote. Understand? This is the way to create the string. Next character is accessing character in a string. Example, see here, school, that is written in double quote. So it is a string. How to access this one? When we are using the string, Python automatically allocate the index value for each characters. Understand? Each character have the index value. This index value is also known as subscript. Understand? This subscript may be a positive or negative subscript. Understand? The positive subscript always start from first character to last character. First character is assigned to 0, last character is assigned to n minus 1. What is n here? Number of characters in the string. How many characters are in this school? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 minus 1. Understand? The last character assign the value n minus 1. Did you get? The negative subscript always start from last character to first character in reverse order. The last character is assigned with minus 1. Next previous one, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Did you understand? This way it is accessing character in the string. Topic is modifying and deleting a string. Once we are create the string, we cannot modify or delete the string. If you want to modify the string, we have to enter the new string in this existing string. Understand? That time old string will be replaced with the new string. That means here no need school means college. We can write once again, we can write str1 equal to college. That time the old string will be disappear, new string will be appear in this string. See here this example, str1 equal to how are you. Print str1. str1 what it is told? How are you? That will be print. Okay, next one, how about you? Next question is how about you. Instead of are, we want to change only about. But what we are doing? Once again re-entering the string. Understand? That means already existing string will be deleted and a new string will be entered. Understand? Then print str1. So whole string will be printed. Understand? Then same way, some of the places we want to replace means we have to use the replace function.
That replace function syntax is replace character 1 comma character 2. That replace the all occurrence of character 1 with the character 2. See here example str1 equal to how are you. Print str1, that how are you printed. Then next print str1 dot, str1 is this one, str1 dot replace of o e. Wherever the o is there, that place will be replaced with e. See here how it is printing. Here how, here o is there, instead of o that e is written. Here also o there, so that will be replaced with e. Did you get it? That is the use of this replace function. Then we cannot delete the particular character from the string. Delete command is used to delete the entire string variable. Next topic is string operators. There are 5 operators in string: concatenation, append, repeating, string slicing, slide when slicing string. Okay, first one is concatenation. Concatenation is used to join the two strings. Okay, what is the use of this concatenation? To join the two strings. It use the operator plus operator. Okay, concatenation use the operator plus operator. See one example here. str1 equal to welcome, welcome. Then str2 equal to Python. Here str3 equal to str1 plus str2. Print str3. So what it will be print? Then str1 what it is there? Welcome. str2 what it is there? Python. So it print the message welcome Python. Did you get him? This is the string concatenation. String concatenation used to join two strings. Then next one is string append. This operator is used to add the one or more string at the end of the existing string. It uses the operator plus equal to. What is it? Plus equal to. See here same example only. How we can write? Then see here instead of this one we can write str1 plus equal to str2. str1 plus equal to str2. That means the str1 what it is there? Welcome is there. Then this string end Python will be added. So what is output we will get? Welcome Python. Print str1 is welcome Python. Next operator is repeating operator. This operator is used to display the string in number of times. Okay, number of times. It uses the operator star operator. Understand? See here one example. Already str1 equal to welcome. We want to print this. Print str1 into 4. That time that welcome will be printed in 4 times. What it is stored in this str1? Welcome. That welcome will be printed in 4 times. Okay, how? Welcome, 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 welcome. Okay, this is the repeating operator. Next operator is string slicing. Slice we know. Slice is a substring of main string. This substring taken by this operator. Open square bracket and close square bracket. Its syntax is string open square bracket start colon end close square bracket. See here, this start represent the starting index value, end represent the end index value. Okay. Then see here one example. str1 equal to Tirukural. Kural. See here, I want to take this much of string from this string. So, how we can write str1 string, where it is this str1 of what is the index value of this one? This value is 0. So, 0 colon, what is the index value of this one? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means 5 we have to write. End index value means end minus 1. That is 4. So we can get the T2. Understand? Starting index is 0. End index is we are given 5. Why we are given 5? End value minus 1. End value minus 1, that is 4. This is the 4 index value. Understand? This much only it will be displayed. This is the what is slicing. Slicing, what is a slicing definition we studied? The substring of main string. This is the main string. From the main string we are taking the substring. That is the slicing. Next topic is stride when slicing a string. That stride is when we are using the slicing string, then that time only we can use, because of the third argument of this slicing string. Slicing string has two arguments, start and end. Then we are using one more argument, that is the stride. Understand? See here, example, str1 equal to welcome to Python. Print str1 10 colon 16. Then what is the meaning of this one? This is a slicing from the main string. str1 what it is there? Welcome to learn Python. This is the main string. From the main string we are taking the substring. What is the index value of 10 here? Which letter indicate that? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then L is represent the which one? 10th index. 11, sorry, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is the 15. Here end is 16. 16 minus 1, 15. So it take the character line. Understand? This 10 to 16 is representing this much. So it print the result line only. Understand? This is the slicing. Then here, stride here, see here, print str1 10 colon 16 colon 4. See here, we are taken the substring. Already used this same thing only. That is substring. From the substring we are taking the another letter. Is it? See here, fourth. From the string 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth letter is R. So it print the R. Okay children, in this video we studied about what is string, how to create a string, how to access the characters in a string, how to delete and modify in a string, what are the string operators. Thank you dear children.